Hey guys, I'm Matthew Francis, and I'm going to show you how to make some pumpkin bars with cream cheese frosting. First, let's make the pumpkin batter. So into a large bowl, add in your eggs, and we're going to beat them with an electric mixer until they're nice and fluffy and foamy. Once you've fully beaten your eggs together and they're kind of foamy, you can add in your white sugar, your vegetable oil, and your pumpkin puree. Then on medium speed with your electric hand mixer, just mix it all together until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Now in a smaller separate bowl, we're going to combine our dry ingredients. That would be your flour, baking soda, cinnamon, baking powder, and salt. Once you have them all in a bowl, take a fork and mix it all together. It's really important to mix your dry ingredients separate from your wet ingredients because you want to make sure that you don't have any clumps of cinnamon or baking powder or baking soda. Then you want to take your dry ingredients and add that flour mixture to your pumpkin batter and beat it on a low speed until everything is just combined, about 1 minute or 2. Do not overmix the batter. Then take your smooth pumpkin batter and pour it over your parchment-lined and greased sheet pan. Then take a spatula and spread out that pumpkin batter until it's evenly spread over the entire sheet pan so you have a nice, evenly flat layer. Put it in the oven and bake it at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes until it's fully cooked, and then your pumpkin batter will become a pumpkin sheet cake. While our pumpkin sheet cake is cooling down, let's make our cream cheese frosting. What you want to do is have a big bowl and add in your 1 cup of softened butter. That's usually 2 sticks of softened butter. And then you're going to add in your soft cream cheese and your vanilla extract. Then take your hand mixer again and beat the cream cheese, butter, and vanilla together until they're nice and soft. Next, we're going to add in our powdered sugar. Once you add in your powdered sugar, use your electric hand mixer and start to gently on soft speed mix it together. And you'll see at first the powdered sugar kind of clumps together, but then eventually as it kind of attaches to the warm, soft, and moist butter and cream cheese, the powdered sugar starts to absorb all that liquid and it softens until you get a nice creamy icing. Then take a spatula and scoop out your frosting onto your pumpkin sheet cake and spread it all over the entire surface. You want to get into the corners, get to the edges, make sure you give a really clean, even layer of frosting onto your pumpkin bars. Then you can just take a knife and make some slices of your pumpkin bars in the sheet pan itself. Once you've sliced your pumpkin sheet cake to become pumpkin bars, you can sprinkle on some ground cinnamon on top, and then your pumpkin bars are ready to eat. I love having them on a platter, and then everyone can just kind of pull from there and enjoy. My family loves pumpkin bars. We have them every year, so this is just such a treat for them to enjoy. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to Allrecipes. We make a ton of helpful videos that are going to be so useful for you in the kitchen. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you don't miss any of the great videos we do make. And down in the comment section below, tell me your favorite pumpkin dessert. Do you like pumpkin bars, pumpkin spice lattes, pumpkin pies? Let me know. I'm Matthew Francis, and I'll see you next time.